Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're popping. I hope you're popping. Guys, your girl is back. I am back and I am popping. I am sure you're popping too. Today, guys, I know you'll be like, Chichi, you've done your makeup. So what are we doing today? You've done your makeup. You've done your hair. You're looking cute. Like you're popping, Chichi. What are we doing today? Okay, you guys. Ta-da! Okay, let me show you guys a picture. By this picture, you already know what we're doing today. Look at this picture. Look at this. Look at this cute picture here. Can you see this, ladies? Can you see their scarf? Yeah. Can you see their scarf? This is a scarf with HD lace, 100% virgin human hair attached to it. Okay. Let me bring it out. Okay. Let's see the pack first. Here it says Janet Collection. Okay. Yes, it's from Janet Collection. You guys know I've been working with Janet Collection lately, and they have this sleek and slay for that perfect edges for all hair types. If your hair is natural, relaxed, any hair at all, okay? If you want to slay your edges, use this. And if you want to braid, yes, I use it for knotless braids as well, okay? Sleek and slay. So look at that. You guys can tell I've been enjoying this. I have this one as well. This is the bigger size, okay, and this is a smaller size, so you can buy whichever size you want to. Okay, it's popping. As you can see, my edges, yeah, they are sleek and they are staring sleek and slay. Okay, let's talk about this. The first place I saw this scarf was on Yandy Smith. You guys know Yandy Smith, okay? Yandy Smith of the Real Housewife of where again? Is it Love and Hip Hop? No, sorry, Love and Hip Hop. Yandy Smith, yeah. Yandy Smith. So she was like rocking this. I was like, oh my god, this is popping. Okay, for those days, you guys, yeah, those lazy days when you just want to tie your hair, like you don't want to do your edges, or your hair is rough, you just want to step out. Okay, you use Janet Collection Melt Lafichu Bang Lace Scarf, 100% natural virgin Remy human hair. Okay, so you can wash it. Okay, you can tongue it, the human hair, you can bleach and you can dye and you can customize it. Okay, so it's a scarf. Okay, let's bring this out, guys. Let's bring this out. Okay, this is it. This is how it comes. Okay, you see this ladies rocking the scarf. So that's how I'm gonna rock my scarf today. So this is it. Okay, ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. Okay, you guys, look at that. Look at this. So this is what I'm going to be rocking today. Janet Collection. A scarf with HD lace. Like, wow, I love this color. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna put the link to this scarf in the description box. Also a link to this sleek and slay. Okay, so you guys, they have different colors. Okay, so different colors that you can choose from. Okay, you guys, if you have your hair like a rough hair, you don't want to just, you know, comb your hair. It can't be bothered. Those lazy days where you just want to just step out, grocery store, you know, look at that. Let's see that. Where is my mirror? Yeah, you see that? Did you see that? So this is HD. Okay, so this is HD in front of a scarf. Okay, let's cut the lace out. So you will normally wear this hair the way you wear your lace wig, but the difference is, yeah, this one is a scarf. Okay, you still have to cut this lace out. Okay, so I have to make sure I don't cut. You have to really make sure you don't cut the hair. So I'm gonna concentrate and I'm gonna be back. Did you see that? Did you see that? One will actually think that I have an install. You see, one would think that I have an install and my hair is just coming out. Okay, so you can lay it, you know, if you want to do edges, or you can even style it anyhow you want it. Okay, like the way it is now, it's looking like I have a fringe. Okay, like I have a fringe. What I will say is, yeah, I will not cut it. You know, when you cut it, you cannot play with it. Okay, for those days when you just want to tongue it, because it's human hair, you can tongue it, you can style it, you can do whatever you want to. So when you cut it, you can't really do a lot. You get what I mean? So I will not cut it. But if you prefer your hair shorter, you might want to cut it. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna put my braids down. You guys, look at that. Look at that braids, Chi. Ooh. GELE Collection also sells braiding hair. So you can get braiding hair from GELE Collection. They have a lot: braiding hair, wigs, short wig, different kind of hair, human hair. I think they also have synthetic hair as well. So anyone you want to. So this is a scarf, as you can tell. This is a scarf. So it's like this. See? Now, that lazy day when you want to step out and your hair is not popping like my hair, or even if your hair is popping but you just want to be extra, okay, you can go like this. Very easy. See? So you can just tuck this behind your ears like so, and then okay, and I can move it forward a little bit. Oh, Chi, you guys, just look at me. Just look at me. Like, I have a different look altogether. So I can even put on my glasses and I will look cute and I will pop. Okay, you guys, this is so pretty. Do you see that? You know what? This is nice, people. This look very boss chic, okay? And if you don't have your hair like mine, like this, then to be very flat, okay? You won't have this thin hair, to be very flat and sleek. Wow, Chi, you were popping, girl. Oh, I like this. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna be rocking this. Like, even when you don't have makeup on, imagine if you don't have makeup on, yeah, and you're rocking this. It's gonna cover your brows, so you don't even need makeup, okay? This is pretty. Even though I like it like so, but just so you guys can see if it's human hair. Okay, let's just tongue this one here. Let's tongue this one here. Let's see. Ooh, girl, it is human. Okay. Guys, it's definitely human hair, so you can style it however you want it. If you want it to have a little bit of waves like so, okay, or if you want it to just stay straight, you can do whatever you want to do with this hair. So you just pretend this is your hair, okay? So you have a weave, especially if you don't have braid like me, okay? If you don't have braid like me, so it's easier for people to think you have weave, you know, underneath your scarf. Ooh, Chi, like, you know, you can even do your baby hair if you want to, and do sleeky. So this is a straight, okay? This one, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'll wear it straight. It just so you guys can see that it's human hair. Do you get? That's why I'm doing all of this, okay? But I like it straight. Wow. Okay, Chi. Okay. Do you see that? This is nice, okay? If you want it to tongue really well, like proper tonguey, you can do it. Also, oh guys, I don't want to really mess this up because I'm not going to wear it with baby hair. But if you're those people that does, like, I think the ladies, yeah. The ladies, yeah, they did like baby hair. They did this and that. they kind of did something like this. Yeah, they kind of did something like this. So this is what they probably did. Something like this. Do you see that? So when you take it out, you can always wash it. So you can always wash it. So there's no, it's not the case of, oh, how am I going to do it, you know, afterwards. So you can always wash it, you know. Yes, I think I'll probably do something like little, just, yeah, this is fine. This is fine, Chichi. Don't do a lot. Don't put a lot. Like, that's it. That's it. So you guys, that's it for Janet collection. Let's see. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, Chichi. You are popping. I love it. So you can style it however you want it, okay? This is for when you just want to run around, lazy day. Even though I say this is for lazy day, I'm going to wear this to a party. Like, imagine me in the party, my glasses. People are going to be wondering, like, has she got, I don't even know, extension in the front of her braid, or what's going on here? Like, what is going on here? Also, guys, it has how to apply, okay? Step 1, cut the excess lace. Tint the lace with foundation if you want to tint the lace, okay? If you are darker skin, you might want to just tint a little bit of lace here, just so it blends with your skin. Do you get? Then you set the scarf properly on the head, matching the baby hair to your natural hairline. You tie, okay? You secure scarf with bobby pins, okay? Nicely, so it's not gonna unravel, okay? Because it hasn't got too much of extra, you know, material. So then you insert a bobby pin on each side of the scarf. Oh, you're supposed to insert bobby pin on each side like this, which I did not do. So when you insert it like this, it stays like so, very flat. Can you see that? So people are not even going to tell what is happening here. Even without a bobby pin, I think it's staying, okay? Then you style the style edges to your preference. Anyhow you want to style it. Cut or use coiler to customize edges. You can use moves, or you know, you can use moves, yeah. So here they cannot use moves here to style it, and they blow dry it. So this is actually really fun, okay? Thank you so much, Janet Collection, for sending me this beautiful scarf. I love it. You guys, if you want to buy your one, link is down below. Also, make sure you guys check Sleek and Slay. Both link is gonna be in the description box, so open the description box. The lashes I'm wearing is my lash collection, okay? You guys check my lash collection, okay? Link is down below. So that's what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this one here, okay? Don't watch my video without telling me I'm popping. Tell me I'm popping because you are popping. I'm telling you, you are popping. So why not tell me, Chichi, you are popping? Chichi, your scarf is popping. Let me know if you love my scarf. Let me know if my scarf is popping. My scarf with baby hair, with lace, with HD lace, and with 100% veggie Remy human hair. I love it. Bye, guys. Mwah.